Finally, I came back to Japan from Europe travel. This time, I'm gonna go to Kyushu area in Japan from Aichi. Today, I'm gonna show you. Let's go!
Let's go!
My friend, my friend, my friend, my friend. He's dead. I ordered beef cuts. いただきます。Japanese cut is so delicious. Number one, you should have bucket in Japan to eat cuts. At rest areas on highway, you can find lots of local souvenirs. It's one fun fact to stop by rest areas. We are in Kasai service area.
I'm here.
It's in Hyogo prefecture. That's why you can see Hyogo local souvenirs. Oh, sorry, you can't really. Ha ha! Almost Kyushu. If we cross this bridge, we are in Kyushu! Wow, he made it! Good morning, Ohio! Itadakimasu. 行ってきます。さよなら。魔法の言葉で楽しい仲間がポポポポ。We are heading to Beppu city in Oita prefecture. Beppu is known as various hot spring area. The scenery changes if you move a little. Beppu. Now we are heading to see hot spring.
Beppu.
Continue for 2 kilometers. Left, then turn left. Head northwest, then turn left. Turn left.
Mainly, there are 7 types of hot springs around here. I try go to all 7 types of hot springs. And now, it's Umi Jigoku. I'm so tired, I couldn't sleep. Wait, okay. This is Umi Jigoku. It said it's 98 degrees Celsius. It's so hot and it smells sulfur. Wow, it's boiling. We are done with checking the hot spring and now next goes to Jigoku means head. Oh damn. Sorry to translate. Okay. Onishi Bozu Jigoku. From up, we came to the Kamado Jigoku by car. Kamado means like this. Drink onsen, it's at 80 degrees Celsius. Let's try. Cheers.
Cheers, mate.
It's just a hot water. Smells just a hot water. Oh, salty. I feel salty a little bit. I feel many nutrition here. Life drink. What the? It said it's effective for flu. You can protect from flu. Really? And it said for good skin. Oh. Ah. 에? What the? What the? What the? Yeah. Now we came to Oniyama Jigoku. We have crocodile here, alligator here. What the? They like this comfortable place. This is comfortable for him. What? でかっマジOh my god, it's actually so big. Oh my god, so fat. I'm sure he eat so much nutritious food. Very nice. Amazing. Now we are heading to Shiroyama. Shiroike? Shiroike Jigoku. It sounds like we can see white hot spring. Is it white? No, it's emerald green. Dragonflies. So cool, man. Crocodile and dragonfly, they love so much hot spring. Hot spring is for all of animals. We finally arrived. Chinoike Jigoku. What the heck? This is the last hot spring. Tatsumaki Jigoku. Oh my god, it's it. Oh, what the? There you go. We don't have enough time to stay, so bye bye. 温泉街として有名ですね。We came to Takachiho. Oh my god. So beautiful, but I got so tired from Beppu to Takachiho. It took 2 hours 40 minutes. I'm so tired. And we have to run to be on time. Yeah. Going my gosh, so beautiful. So hard though. Who made this fucking plan? It's a hard schedule. We don't have time to rest. But this is a trip, right? I want you to enjoy every moment. So don't make me disappointed myself. In Takachiho, we made a reservation, the activity which we can use the boat and enjoy it. Oh, we are on the boat in Takachiho. So beautiful. Can you hear the nature sound? Yeah, so good. いいね。
分かってきた気がするわ。
わお、えっぐ、うわ、冷てえ。うわ、そう。This area is so cool, so comfy. あ、眩しい。Look at that. Wow. So good. Huh? Audience は高みの見物や。I wanna stop by the specialties store. Let's go. Sounds interesting. This dark brown beer was sweet, not dear. Let's try it. Smells like coffee. Oh, it's coffee beer.
Oh.
It's when I realized by myself, I got beer human, beer boy. I really like alcohol. Oh my gosh, my future is dark, but it doesn't matter. My future feel happiness. Woo-hoo. We are so sweaty right now, so we gotta go to hot spring and take a shower and eat. We've never eaten today, so we have to eat. We finally came to Takanabe Onsen, Takanabe Hot Spring. Thank you, my friend. He drove all the way to here. Sum up. And finally we can rest here. Let's go. Okay. We can get changed and we can go to the bathroom. Let's go. Holy! The hot spring was so amazing. After taking shower, we did sauna, and physically, mentally, we refreshed so much. And we took a nap in open space after taking a shower, and now we got energy 100% or almost 100% because we didn't eat food yet. So next food and we recover 100%. I'm gonna show you. Let's go. This is fried eggs. And this is fried squid. And this is kushiyaki, kushikatsu. 一回わからん。After eating, we came to roadside station, and in the car, it's so hot to sleep. It's too hot to sleep, too humid to sleep. But outside it's so windy. So my answer is to sleep outside. Good night. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.